I'm in northwest suburban Deer Park, just across the street from the shops, restaurants, and theaters at the Deer Park Town Center. I'm in the clubhouse at the new Deer Park Crossing, which has a party room lounge adjacent to an outdoor pool and a grilling area, a comfortably furnished media room with a large screen TV, and a fitness center with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm looking at the Deer Park Town Center just across the street and heading to a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath Inglenook layout townhome. From the entry foyer, the stairs lead up to the main living level and down to the garage and a flex space. Just come up off the half flight of stairs into this great living dining area. Dining area can easily accommodate a table for 10 or 12. Plenty of space in the living area. This wide plank flooring extends throughout this level. It's a corner unit, so you have windows on two sides. Then you head into this delightful kitchen. Just a ton of cabinet and counter space. Very stylish finishes, gray quartz counters contrasting with white cabinetry. There's an island. Stainless steel appliance package includes a French door refrigerator, 5-burner gas range, built-in microwave, dishwasher, tile backsplashes, a wide undermount farm-style sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, 42-inch upper cabinets for storage, and then there's also a pantry closet with shelving. Breakfast area includes a built-in desk with drawers and cabinets up above. What a terrific kitchen. And it opens through sliding doors onto a wide balcony. Getting back into the living dining area, we have a closet off to the right. And as you head toward the stair, is a powder room with a pedestal sink. Then upstairs to the bedroom level. I'm on the second level, where there are 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. This level is carpeted. It's a full-size stacked washer-dryer, front-loading. Window in the stairwell, which is a nice touch. Heading into the master. It's a spacious room, can accommodate any size bedding and additional furniture. Windows on 2 walls, one at the clear story level. Heading into the master bath. Very attractive finishes, gray quartz counters, undermount sink, double bowl vanity, bank of drawers in the vanity for storage, and a wall-wide mirror. There's a deep walk-in closet with multiple levels of shelving and a private compartment for the toilet and walk-in shower. Great bright room. Getting back into the hall, it's a good separation of the bedrooms. Looking at a linen closet with shelving opposite the second bath. Finishes similar to the master, but with a deep soaking tub. Second bedroom, unusually large for a second bedroom. Windows on 2 sides, and then looking at a bright, again large, third bedroom. Let's come down half a flight of stairs to the lower level. There's a deep closet and storage area off to my right. Plank flooring at this level. Nice sized, flexible space. Could be a great home office, could be a den, family room, playroom, or a space where the teenagers take over. Utility closet behind the louvered doors with individual heating and air conditioning and hot water. And then there's an oversized 2-car garage with an additional 2 cars parking on the approach to the garage. This is a bright, wide, spacious townhome that lives very much like a single-family home. It's great finishes, great flow, a lot of storage, a lot of separation of functional living areas. In a community that has extensive amenities, outdoor pool, fitness center, party room, and a lot more. Directly across from the Deer Park Town Center and an appealing location. Deer Park Crossing belongs high on your must-see list. Head to the Deer Park Crossing website for near real-time rent and availability info.